At Scholars Home, we've always believed in providing our students with a future-ready education. We strive to nurture not just academic excellence, but also the critical thinking and problem-solving skills that will shape tomorrow's leaders. Scholars Home is proud to partner with Avishkar Robotics to introduce a state-of-the-art robotics and AI lab within our school. We believe that by introducing them to robotics and AI at an early age, we are preparing them for a future filled with endless possibilities.
Gone are the days of manual production and human operation. With AI, IoT, deep robotics, and complete automation, the jobs of tomorrow will be completely different. And we need to train our kids today to be prepared for this. Introducing Tech Innovation Labs. Built by alumni from IIT, Microsoft, and Adobe, we provide a complete solution for schools to teach next-gen tech skills like robotics, AI, coding, IoT, and electronics. Graded curriculum based on NEP 2020, accessible through our online LMS.